right, boys and girls, this is Miss Aycock, and we are back for Tuesday, March the 24th, 2020, and we are continuing our Fundations lesson on sentences. So remember we said we needed to know the difference between words and sentences. We needed to know how to put sentences together, or sentences together by putting words together, right? We need to look at uppercase, we need to look at spaces, we need to look at punctuation, we need to look at a lot of things with sentences, okay? So here we go. We're going to look at the sentence that we made earlier. So help me read this sentence. Meg is sad. What do we remember about the word Meg? Very good. You can tap it out. So everybody help me tap it out. Meg. Very good. What do we remember about what we see between words? Those are spaces. Very good. What did we remember about the word that was in the middle that Miss Aycock wrote in red? Very good. It's a trick word that you cannot sound out. So we need to remember that one by sight. That's one of our sight words. What is that word? Is. Very good. And we have the next word, sad. Can you tap that one out? Add, sad. Add, sad. One of our CVC words. Very good. And then we have a period at the end. Okay, awesome. So in this video, we're going to continue writing sentences, and I'm going to need your help, okay? So the next sentence, I'm going to dictate and say this one out loud because I want you to hear the sentence, and then I want you to see if you can try to put the words together and help me write that sentence, okay? So the sentence is going to be, Rob sat in the sun. So let's say that together. Rob sat in the sun. Rob sat in the sun. How many words? Rob sat in the sun. 5 words. Very good. So if I hold up the word Rob, how are we going to know that we're going to tap out that word? Very good. I didn't write it in red, and also it's a CVC word with a consonant and a vowel and a consonant. So let's tap that out together. Rob, Rob. Very good. What about the word sat? Are we going to be able to tap that word out? Yes. Help me tap it out. At, sat. Awesome. Tapping fingers one more time. At, sat. Last week we were doing a lot of blending and tapping, so you guys are getting a lot better. The next word, one of our sight words, in. Very good. In. Not a CVC with 3 letters, but you can still tap that word out. Here's a word in red. THE. Can you tap that word out? No. So you just have to remember that's going to be one of our trick words. Then we have the word sun. So help me tap that out. Sun. One of our CVC words. Okay, are you ready? All right, so our sentence, Rob sat in the sun. So help me write that sentence. What am I going to start with? Uppercase. Very good. So I have the uppercase letter. Rob. Do I write the word sat right next to it? Oh no, we have to have our finger space. So at home, moms and dads, work with your boy or girl at home, work with students at home to help us remember our finger spacing, okay? So I'm going to put my finger here, and I'm going to write the word sat. So let's read together. Rob sat. Now let's keep going. We have the word in. What comes next? The, our trick word, the. And then because my paper is not long enough, my sentence is going to have to come over here. So we're going to write the word sun. Oops, I almost wrote it in red. Sun, you can tap out. Awesome. All right, so here we go. Help me read. Are you ready at home? Let's read our new sentence. Ready, set, go. Rob sat in the sun. Awesome. All right, so let's check. Did we make an uppercase letter for the beginning of a sentence? Yes. Did we try to sound out our words that were our CVC words? Yes. Do we have spaces in between the words? Yes. Did we identify our trick words? And this is the trick word, the. Yes. Did we add a period at the end? Yes. Awesome. All right, so I'll need your help. Are you guys ready? I want you to help me read these sentences that we have made thus far. All right. Meg is sad. Rob sat in the sun. Let's do that again. Meg is sad. Rob sat in the sun. Great job. Okay, I wrote the trick words in red, but I might sometimes in our Fundations lesson circle those trick words. So mom and dads at home, you guys can help your child identify words that you can tap out by writing short sentences, and you can either underline or circle or make it fun and use a different color to identify the trick words that are in the sentence, okay? I'm also going to circle the word the because those were the trick words that we were working on in this lesson. All right, good. Let's see if we have time to put one more sentence together. All right, and then tomorrow we're going to be doing something a little bit different, okay? All right, here we go. The sentence is, the rat sat in the mud. Sounds silly, doesn't it? Here's the word the. What is that going to be? Trick word. Very good. Here's the word rat. What are we going to do with that word? Tap it out. Here's the word sat. Very good. We would tap that out. In. We can tap that out. What is the? Trick word. What is mud? A word that you can tap out, a CVC. All right, are you ready? So let's count the words. I have all the words on an index card, so moms and dads, you can also use this strategy at home if you want to break the words apart and have your child put the words together to make a sentence. So here we go. The rat sat in the mud. I think I just said sun. Sorry about that for the correction. Let's say that again. I'm thinking of sunshine because it's raining outside. Rat sat in the mud. All right, here we go. The rat sat in the mud. So let's see if we can write it before our video ends. Help me say that out loud at home. Rat, don't forget your finger spaces. Sat in, trick words coming up, the mud. Awesome. All right, so before the video ends, help me read that sentence. The rat sat in the mud. Very good. All right, let's take it from the top. Are you ready? Meg is sad. Rob sat in the sun. The rat sat in the mud. All right, boys and girls, so today you all helped me put words together to make sentences. I said the sentences out loud. I dictated them. I also showed you how you can identify the CVC words and the trick words. I showed you how to write the sentence down to where you have an uppercase, spaces in between, punctuation at the end, and then we read those sentences together. So moms and dads at home, get some paper, get a pencil, find a notebook, a place to write, and get busy writing those sentences. I'll see you tomorrow for Fundations for a continued lesson on writing sentences. Great job, everybody.